SpongeBob's on the hunt for buried treasure. Ooh, maybe the magic conch has something good. Buried treasure! Oh, magic conch, what can't you do? I wonder what could be inside. 1, 2 doubloons? Blocks! Even better! Now we can build whatever we want.
Wow!
Some jelly will go great with our pineapple. Wow! Now it's big enough to live in. Ooh, 2 stories. Sponge Girl sure earned herself a Krabby Patty. Well, someone likes mayo. Don't worry, guys. A fry cook is always prepared, though we'll need help. From everybody's favorite evil Cyclops. Planked in such a nice shade of green. Now, let's trim a little off the bottom. A touch of red really livens things up. But why don't we add some cheese? Don't mind the hole, it's just extra Swiss. But soon we'll have a brand new patty. Of course, this burger's not for lunchtime. It's our special tub. Add water, there's plenty down here. The same could also be said about sharks. Your finger, it's infected. Wait, no, it's just a pop tube. I'm always getting those things mixed up. But soon, it'll be our colorful new slide. And we're throwing on all the bells and whistles. Wow, it's looking great! We just gotta hook it up. And our dirty Dans are almost ready for a ride. Come on, guys, slide on down. The water's fine. Rub-a-dub-dub, 3 friends in a tub. But you guys could use some sponges? Yeah, it's probably best not to think about it. Besides, they make for a really cool couch. Then again, it's looking pretty bare. Why don't we whip up some Krabby Patty pillows? Ooh, and it looks like we ordered extra large. Meanwhile, I think we've earned a little jellyfishing break. Steady now. It's letting its guard down. Gotcha. Uh-oh. I prefer my pancakes with syrup, not jelly. Well, we could at least give you back your color. Now let's add some lines on top. But now it's time for the real heavy artillery. Hot glue. Draw out some squiggles, and soon you'll have new tendrils. And we've got the perfect place for you to hang out. Mirrors are like windows to another world. Ooh, seems like that gave Sponge Girl an idea. We can use it to make a brand new porthole window. But I think we're gonna need a new view. And what could be better than a bikini bottom backdrop? The ocean's a beautiful place, but it could use a few more bottom feeders. Don't worry, we'll soon get things rolling. Now let's give the top a nice fringe. Next, we'll really put everything in place. And when I said get things rolling, you know I meant it. Remember, you don't need a license to drive a sandwich. Of course, you can't forget the patty. Our secret weapon, sesame seeds. Don't tell Plankton. Oh, and headlights. Can't go wrong with headlights. Ooh, looks like it's the self-driving model. And it brought our friends, Mr. Krabs and Sandy. Now the party can really get started. Ooh, are you whipping up a disco ball? No, that's not quite it. What could it be? It kind of looks like a satellite. Oh, hold on. You're making a barbecue. We'll need charcoal. Unless you prefer propane and propane accessories. But if we want our guests to sit back and relax, we're gonna need something for them to relax on. And we might as well make it sparkle, too. Don't forget shades for that underwater sun. Crafting is thirsty work, but make sure to save that bottle cap. Just cover it up. Now we'll need our shark friend again. Yeah, we save a ton on paper shredders around here. But if you want things to have a nice shape, it's always best just to use a hole punch. We just need a little circle right in the center. Now we've got a tiny table for our tiny treats. Okay, I think the patties are about well done. Let's get it ready. Patrick looks pretty hungry. Lunch is ready, everyone. Come and get it. Ooh, you've even brought some extras. You can really taste that secret formula. All done? Well, why don't you all relax? A starfish? Hey, are you a friend of Patrick's? Well then, you can help us with our next craft. You guys want to work off those Krabby Patties? Well then, try out our new trampoline.
Okay, let's go.
Any takers? Looks like Squidward's going first. Next, Sandy's gonna get some serious air. Of course, we can't forget SpongeBob. Wow, this place has got everything, even Gary. There's always fun to be had under the sea. Just wait till you see what we've got planned for Squidward's house next. Ooh, 6-7 is here, and he's brought all of his internet friends. Looks like Ballerina Cappuccina needs a refill. Wow, that pink stuff sure must be filling. Oh, she always was such an open book. But maybe we should add some color in here. Pink on top and blue on the bottom.
Yay!
Guess there's plenty of cappuccina to go around. She's always got a place in her own mind's eye. But 1 is still the loneliest number. So why don't we whip you up some furniture? Or friends, whichever comes first. Take a sock and fill it with candy, presumably the kind you don't want to eat. Make a bunch and line them up against the wall. Pretty soon, the chairs will start coming to us. Come on in, there's plenty of room. And here, have a blanket. Yeah, she doesn't sit on anything with a face on it. And I think we've just learned why. How about we try our special beanbag chairs again? Talk about a sweet seat. Hey, what's in the box? Ooh, Easter came early. It's an egg. Yeah, I'd keep an eye on those yolks. But you can't forget the best part, the toy. By the looks of it, you've got a little collection. Let's keep them looking their best with a little epoxy resin. When they're all the same shape, it's all the easier to stack. Bless you. You want a tissue for all that slime? Fill a box with it. And some tralalero tralalas. Maybe some yummy mermaids to snack on? Put it in the corner. It's more fun to watch than TV. A loose nail? Ooh, we better hammer it down. Little less Thor, little more Fix-It Felix. Well, at least we can restock our confetti cabinet.
Oops.
But we should probably keep it all in one place. Don't forget to save something for Sweeps Week. Don't want to keep some for later? Well, into the bin it goes.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, do we have raccoons again? Never mind, it's just good old Trippy Troppy. A new kind of catfish. Well, cat shrimp. But he'll appreciate a kitty classic, twine. We'll make him a little basket. Practically has his name on it. Well, face. And look, it comes with a side of catnip. Aw, I think he's gonna be happy here. Looks like we've got a visitor. Wow, talk about having the whole gang over. It's like an instant party, which means it's pizza time. Let's order one. Your phone's dead. Oh no! Well, I guess we could always try charging it. But it'll be quicker to just make a new phone. Make sure this one gets unlimited texting. Ooh, a flip phone. Now that's a classic. I just can't wait to push those buttons. Quick, order that pizza. We want all the works. Ooh, that was fast. Hope that didn't cost extra. Dig in. The cheese pull could have been better. Oh, I think your tip was already included. Hey, why don't you join the party? The pizza party. Hurry, there's plenty of hungry mouths around here. Seriously, even the chair around here likes to eat. But I think our friends are gonna get thirsty. And what goes better with pizza than fountain drinks? That's not quite what I meant by fountain. But it's pretty, so why don't we just see where this goes? Ooh, clear tape ice cubes are much quicker than a freezer. Either way, it'll keep things nice and cool. Oh, I see. We're using it to hold all our sodas. Come on, everybody. It's important to hydrate. Just don't drink too fast. Well, better out than in. It looks like it's almost nap time. Why don't you lay down some popsicle sticks? With a few twists and turns, we can whip up a brand new bed. Make it pink. It'll really fit right in on the top floor. Now let's take some measurements to make sure the pillow's just right.
What?
Since it's custom made, let's add a personal touch. Though cappuccinos usually don't go with bedtime. In fact, they're the perfect thing for avoiding sleep. Now it's time for your big role, Sleeping Beauty. We'll do Swan Lake next week, ballerina. We should clean up while we're here. We're gonna need something to help get her organized. Empty out this container. All it needs is the right paint job. It'll be nice and snug inside the corner. And don't forget about all those paper clips. With the right twists, they'll make great hangers. That's settled. Now the decorating fun can really begin. Take that wad of gum and roll it into a ball. Make a bunch, and we can make a 3D ballerina painting. Aw, you can tell this was made with love. Why don't we hang it on the wall? Grab a clothespin. Oh, darn those socks. Some nice flowers can really help liven things up. We really should host one of those home makeover shows. So, whose home are we gonna do next? I think Tralalero Tralala would be interested.